guys, I'm about to sleep. I just did my skincare. I got home really late, so I filmed just now. So, yeah, as for my hair, it's still smooth. Ayan, wala siyang, kumbaga walang sabit kasi yan siya. Ayan, very smooth. Ayan. Wait, ganun nga natin pakakita. Ayan, walang sabit yan. Yan. Malambot siya, kahit shampoo lang. Sabi nga nila, diba? Shampoo lang yan. Ayan. As for my skin, ito yung current update niya for day 3. Ayan, wait lang po. I'll show you the calendar today. Para maniwala kayo. Ano talaga? It's... Ay, wait lang. Saan yung calendar ko? Para lang makita niyo talaga day 3 today. So, I started November 5. Today is, ayan, November 7. Ayan. So, pag check niyo yung calendar ko like this, makita niyo. Wait lang. Ano, babaan ang brightness? Ayan. Wait lang. Ayan, wait lang. Ayan, November 7 makita niyo. Friday 7 yan. Kasi it's November 7. Right now, ayan. And, yeah, ito yung skin ko right now. All my things are healed. Ayan. My pores have shrunk a little. Ayan. Pero medyo meron pa rin openness. Then, meron pa rin akong mga tiny acne here. Pero nabawasan kasi parang mas marami siya dito before. Pero yun, ito, naglalighten na siya. Ayan. Yung dito ko mas naglighten. Wait lang. Ayan. That's my current skin update. And day 3 pa lang to guys of using Raymond products. So, ayan. I'm about to sleep. So, nag-update lang talaga ako para hindi ko ma-miss yung day 3. Parang ang blurred yan. Para hindi ko ma-miss ang day 3. Pero, yeah, that's the current update. I'll show you everything tomorrow, before and after again. See ya!